Hi everyone, here we've got ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So first of all, we have to find and open the settings, so let's do it, and now let's scroll down a little to the security and lock screen. Let's tap on it. Now under the screen lock we should have the fingerprint option, so let's tap on it and tap on continue. Now we have to choose an additional screen lock. If you've got one currently set, no worries, then you will be just transferred to another step. If not, you really have to do it right now, and make sure that you will remember the pattern, pin or password, whatever you will choose, because if not, then you will be unable to unlock your device and you will have to erase all the data. So let me pick, for example, the pattern. Simply tap on the option you want to use, and here we have to draw the pattern and redraw it and confirm. Now we have to add our fingerprint, and we can do it by tapping our finger on the sensor, which is located on the power button on the side of our device. So let me do it. Let me put my finger on it. And as you can see, we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. Okay, now we have to unroll our finger in order to add all of the edges, of course, for better recognition. Okay, and it's done. And as you can see, we just completed adding our fingerprint to this device. If you'd like to, you can add another by tapping here. If not, tap on done. And now we can decide what we want to show on the lock screen. So here we can show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. Just make sure that the option you'd like to use is marked like here. So let me pick, for example, the second option. It is marked, so I can tap on done. Now let's tap on OK. And as you can see, we are in the fingerprint settings. So here we can decide, first of all, for what we want to use our fingerprint for. We can use it for unlocking our device, and if you'd like to turn it off, just tap on the switcher, but I will leave it like this. What's more, here we've got the screen off unlock, and after tapping on it, we can decide if you'd like to unlock your device with only pressing or touching the power button, the sensor, or by pressing only, and I will leave the press or touch. Let me get back. As you can see here, we've got our fingerprint, so we can freely tap on it. We can rename it if you want, and it's a very good option if you've got many fingerprints added. You can remove it, of course, and add fingerprint by tapping here. So now let me check if it is working. Let's lock our device, and let me put my finger on it. And as you can see, the screen is unblocked, so it means that we successfully added our fingerprint to it. So actually, that's all. This is how to add a fingerprint to your ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.